All right, people. How are you all doing? I hope you are having a wonderful week as I am. It's pretty hard to say when you see the market doing this, but if you guys haven't gone through the videos I've posted in the last couple days, go through them. I've been talking before the drop, even the last month or two, kind of get an idea if you have any questions about what's going on with the market, Brexit, China, oil, all this stuff. And we've been capitalizing off it. And, that I think this whole last month or two has really been able to give you guys an idea of how I interpret news, how I'm capitalizing it, and the plays I'm making off of it. So go through that, and you guys could see the opportunity where it's just by knowing this information, you can benefit on the stock market. And now this is what I want to talk about with now. Okay, you could find out what's causing the stock market to drop, then you find out what to buy to make money on that. But the question now is, what do you buy when the stock market goes down? And that is an interesting thing. And this is what I want to share with you guys because it helps you understand the dynamics of how markets really operate, gives you a better fundamental knowledge of what's going on with the markets. But now you also get to find some plays, know where to aim. If the market's going down, you could set your sights on certain companies. And this is what I've done. And I made some pretty cool plays by going after these, and you could see the opportunity when the market's gone down, and I'll show you some of even the call percentages on them. It's been pretty insane and nutty. So we'll get in that. I'll talk about it. I even have, I don't know, I need your guys' opinion. So you guys have to comment and let me know. Can I spam videos? I don't know. Cause I want to talk about this. There's so much to talk about with what's going on. You guys need to let me know what you want me to discuss with you. We need to grow our cult too. So feel free to join. But give me the topics you guys want to go over because there's a lot, and I don't want to just keep shooting out videos. I should probably, I don't know, but I don't want to bug people. But there's a lot going on. There's a lot of good learning. Again, opportunities both sides. You guys realize this market, the fluctuations where the options and derivatives markets are, everything is such a great opportunity. So learn to take advantage of it and also understand it's a good learning lesson. So let's talk about it though. What do you buy when the stock market goes down? And this question is answered in understanding, well, there's two things to understand: the companies itself and why they go up, and actually three things. And I want to show you the third so you could see it. But then also, the reasoning, why they're a good company, but then also why are they moving up when the stock market goes down. And now here I want to show you guys. I'm going to bring up companies. As you see here, I'll take this off. This is the company. So this is KO, Coca-Cola. I'm going to overlay it with the S&P 500. Ah, shit. I hate when it does that. It's not going to give me the right color. The colors could get very confusing. Purple and yellow. See, it's kind of confusing. You don't really know. I'm sorry. I'm literally just going to go back and forth till it gets me a good color. Oh my gosh. This is embarrassing. Okay, we're going to just do purple and yellow. I don't want to deal with this. You can kind of see it, but essentially the yellow and blue is McDonald's and the purple and yellow is the S&P. So stock market starts dropping, and oh my God, this is so confusing. Blue and yellow. This is McDonald's. I think it did drop. Yeah, it dropped that first day, but after that, from the bounce, it literally went from, oh, that's Coca-Cola. No, yeah, McDonald's had a way better one. But it went from 44 and it just kept going up. Even as the market continued to drop, Coca-Cola just kept rallying. It kind of moves a little bit, but overall, you bought this, it outpaced. So we could go look at a bunch of other companies. There's Coca-Cola. Here's Procter & Gamble. Dude, I really can't do this yellow and purple. I don't think you guys understand how much that is irritating me. Okay, we'll try one more time. I hate this. So, but there's Procter & Gamble. Maybe I'll just go to the SPY so you can see. No, I need to overlay it. Here's Johnson & Johnson as well. Okay, please pray that this works. I'm never taking. I had it set up before the video, so this is all my fault. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Red and green. Awesome. Red and green is the SPY. So again, Johnson & Johnson, you see it moved with it, but then as the market continued to go down, Johnson & Johnson went up a little bit, but overall it ended up higher. It ended up literally, it's near 52-week highs. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, here's McDonald's. And I showed this last week, and McDonald's is literally, the market was dropping. All it did, it moved a little bit with it and just gapped up. The market dropped down, it gapped up literally dollars. And there was earnings and stuff like that. Same thing. Walmart is one of those companies. And then the other one I made a video on, Starbucks. But you guys look through these companies and you could see the pattern that they go up. And now I was talking to Conroy, my TTF brother, and he was telling me, he gave me a good reasoning behind this, is that it makes sense with like the redemptions in November 15th and a lot of funds coming into the end of the year. They don't want to hold, Amazon, a loss on Amazon on the year and these tech stocks. They want to kind of move it into these staple good value stocks that are going to be good and provide a dividend. I like that logic. And in general, this is why these are value stocks. And this has been the debate that people have been talking about, is that when the market goes down, you switch from growth to value. And that's why we've seen value outperform growth. So this is why it's going up. And these are the stocks, in a sector base, you want to think value and think about all those companies we listed: Starbucks, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. Every single one of you use their products at least every month. I'm sure once a month, one of you fat fucks is drinking a Coke. You guys are using toothpaste, Johnson & Johnson. You guys are using Lysol strips, Procter & Gamble, stuff all around that list of all of these staples. Starbucks, you basic. But you guys get the idea. These are just value stocks. They're still going to make their money and do good. And people go into it and you get to see this stock market, and this is a myth people have, or I guess lack of understanding. They think a stock market crash means everything goes down. No, the stock market's like politics. There's winners and losers. So if something's going down, there is going to be something that is going to go up. Somebody is going to benefit. And that's the allure of the market that I like. With there's always a cause and effect relationship and you could find things, but that is just the reality of it, that things are ever changing with these markets and with the stock market, and everything has that push and pull effect. So hopefully you guys are getting, how markets work, finding one thing causes this, one thing causes that. And that's why I said that reason with that Conrad gave. And in general, you guys are seeing that. I'm trying to let me think of another example of when one thing goes down, other things go up. You see how even the fires caused, EI or EIX, Edison and PG&E to go down. That could cause one thing, but then somebody might go up and benefit out of it. If those two guys are going out, someone might go up, or if banks are doing bad or something, you'll find winners in some places. It doesn't mean people, when the stock market goes down or if it crashes, people don't just run away. It's not like a run on the bank. There's going to be opportunity somewhere. So that's what I'm saying with all of this in the market. With the market going down, it could turn into a bear market. There could be a great time to get puts and short the market at a crazy price. But then on the reverse side, when there's just big losses like this, there's going to be a wave that it's creating in another area or sector. And the job is to figure out which one that is, find it, capitalize it. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, let me know what questions you guys have. If you haven't checked out the link below, pledge the fraternity, get your application for the pledge class. But we've talked about this on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, I think we're kind of a cult now. So lots of cool cult membership benefits, but yeah, we're friendly cult too. No religious cult, no angry cult, just, friendly cult who likes to make money and just help each other out. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Love you guys. Drop a comment, subscribe if you're new. Peace.